Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tirpan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ. The MCQ question for a class 8th science chapter here, chemical effect of electrical current. That's the most important chapter here and which will be very important from the exam point of view. And it will be important for this competitive exam also. And let's see what is the topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here, chemical effect of electric current. Class 8 cbse ncert science here. That's important. And today Tripan Study Center discuss a most important MCQ. MCQ is the most important for the exam point of view and also is a competitive exam. That's important. And let's see question here. The question here, electroplating prevent prevents here. Electroplating prevents here. मीन इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग किस चीज़ को रोकता है? इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग किस चीज़ को रोकता है? ऑप्शन है ए कोरिएशन, बी पासिंग ऑफ करेंट, सी discolorations and designing. Question is very interesting. The answer here, electroplating prevent here corrosion. There is a corrosion. The A option is correct here for this question. A corrosions, A is correct. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen. Question here. Which of the following is not a use for a electroplating metal article? Which of the following is not a use for the electroplating metal article? निम्नलिखित में से किसका उपयोग धातु की वस्तुओं पर इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग के लिए नहीं किया जाता है? इन सारे ऑप्शनों में से किसका उपयोग जो है इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग के लिए नहीं किया जाता है? क्वेश्चन काफ़ी दिलचस्प है और ऑप्शन है ए निकेल, बी सिल्वर, सी क्रोमियम, डी सोडियम. Question is very interesting. Which of the following are not used for electroplating metal article? You know that nickel, there is use of electroplating time. Silver also used here, and chromiums, the use of electroplating metal is article. But the sodium is not a user types of electroplating because sodium is a very sensitive metal. It means to the D option is correct here. D sodium is correct for this question. Sodium is not a user electroplating metal article. The D is correct. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen. Question here. Iron objects can be protected by the electroplating them with. Question is very interesting. लोहे की वस्तुओं को इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग करके सुरक्षित किया जाता है. क्यों किया जाता है? और लोहे की वस्तुओं में किन किन जो है वस्तुओं का उपयोग करते हैं इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग के दौरान? ऑप्शन ए क्रोमियम, बी निकेल, सी जिंक या डी ऑल ऑफ दिस. क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी प्रोटेक्टेड बाय इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग देम विद द chromium. Yes, the chromium used to their protective electroplating time to the iron, and nickel also. A zinc is the most important material. They are protect to the iron object. You know that A, B, C is correct here. It means to the here D option is correct. D all of these. The iron objects can be protected by the electroplating them with the chromium, nickel, zinc. Yani D option is correct. D all of these is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. In a LED, the longer lead wire. In a LED as there, longer lead wire is away connected to the dash terminal. यानी देखा जाए तो एलईडी में लंबा जो है लीड तार हमेशा डैश टर्मिनल से जोड़ा जाता है। एलईडी आपके पास होगा, एलईडी में जो एक लंबा लीड होता है उसको हम किस टर्मिनल से जोड़ते हैं? ऑप्शन है ए नेगेटिव टर्मिनल, बी न्यूट्रल टर्मिनल, सी पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल या डी एनी टर्मिनल। क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। LED has the longer lead wire is a way connected to the dash terminal, and the option here positive terminal. It means the C option is correct. LED their longer lead wire is a way connected to the positive terminal. Option C is correct for this question. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, question here, कॉपर एस यानी देखा जाए तो तांबा क्या है? तांबा क्या है? ऑप्शन है यह ए अ गुड कंडक्टर, बी ऑन इंसुलेटर, सी बोथ ए एंड बी एंड डी नॉन ऑफ दिस। क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। कॉपर इज, you know that copper is maximum user house wiring and all types of electrical instrument. The copper is the most important wire here. It means to a good conductor. The a good conductor option is correct here. A good conductor option is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here, waste from on electroplating of factory must be disposed of. The waste from on electroplating of factory must be disposed of. इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग फैक्ट्री से निकलने वाले कचरे का निपटान किया जाना चाहिए। आपको पता है कि बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग के फैक्ट्री हैं और अच्छी भी है, इसके से हमें बहुत सी चीज़ों को बचाव भी होता है। लेकिन आपको पता है कि इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग फैक्ट्री से बहुत से वेस्ट मटेरियल निकलते हैं, तो इस वेस्ट मटेरियल को हमें कहाँ जो है उसको निपटान करना चाहिए, यानी कहाँ उसको जो है ख़त्म करना चाहिए, किस जगह करना चाहिए। क्वेश्चन काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है कि फैक्ट्रियों से निकलने वाली जो कचरे होते हैं उसको हम कहाँ फेंकना चाहिए। ऑप्शन है A in the nearby the river, B in the nearby a pond, C in the nearby the cornfield या D according to the disposal guidelines of waste management body. Question is very interesting. The waste for electroplating factory must be disposed of. The rule and regulation is important, but today the rule regulation not is work in any factory. And factories disposal is here must be in the nearby river, nearby a pond, confirmed field. But according to the government, the waste material they use according to the disposal guidelines of the waste management of body. It means to the D option is correct here. The waste for electroplating factory must be disposed of according to the disposal guidelines of waste management of body. D option is correct here for this question. D is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here on electrolyte is. On electrolytes is देखा जाए तो एक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट क्या है? एक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट क्या है? A a metal, B a liquid that conduct of current, C a non-metal and D none of these. Question is very interesting. And electrolyte is. The answer here, there is an important answer. A liquid that conduct a current. Electrolytes is a liquid that conduct of current. B option is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here, flow of an electron is called. यानी इलेक्ट्रॉनों को प्रभाव को हम क्या कहते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉनों का प्रभाव जो होती है विद्युत धारा में उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्शन है इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स, B. Electroplating, C. Electrolyte, and D. Electrocurrent. That's important here question. Flow of electron is called electrolysis? No, it is not a correct answer. B. Electroplating? No. And C. Electrolytes? Nothing. It means the D option is correct here. Electric current. D option is correct for this question. Electric current. The flow of electron is called the electrical current. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Which is a not a known electrolytes? Question is very interesting. कि कौन सा गैर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स नहीं है? क्या ए एथिल अल्कोहल, बी सोडियम क्लोराइड, सी यूरिया, डी सोडियम सॉल्यूशन? You know that the question is very interesting. Which is a not a known electrolytes? Not electrolytes. Not a electrolytes. This means to the ethyl alcohol, urea, sodium solution. That's a electrolytes. But D, there is a B here. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. It is a not a known electrolytes. B option is correct for this question. Sodium chloride. But sodium solution is a electrolytes here, non-electrolytes here. But the question here, not non-electrolytes. It means the sodium chloride. B option is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Chromium's plating is done on many of objects such as a car parts, bath taps, kitchen gas stove, etc. Why? Question is very interesting. Chromium plating is done on many objects such as a car part, bath taps, kitchen gas stoves, etc. Why? यानी क्रोमियम चढ़ाना कई वस्तुओं पर किया जाता है, जैसे कार के हिस्से, स्नान के नल, रसोई गैस स्टोव आदि. आखिर क्यों ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम क्रोमियम को इन सभी चीज़ों पर चलाते हैं? तो ऑप्शन देखा जाए तो यहाँ काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है. ऑप्शन है इट डज नॉट बी कोरिएट बट प्रिवेंट अ स्क्रैच. बी इट इज़ अ लुक अ ब्यूटीफुल. सी इट इज़ अ कॉस्टलेस. D articles can be sold at the higher price. You know that this question is very interesting. The chromium plating is done on many objects such as the car parts, bath taps, kitchen gas stove, etc. Why? This is an important question. The important answer. It does not be correct. It does not be correct, but prevent a scratch. Prevent of a scratch. You mean A option is correct for this question. A, it does not be correct but prevent a scratch. A option is correct. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen. The process of depositing of layer of any desired metal on the another material by means of electricity is called. Question is very interesting. The process of depositing of layer of any desired metal on the another material by means of electricity is called. विद्युत धारा के माध्यम से किसी अन्य पदार्थ पर किसी वांछित धातु की परत जमाने की प्रक्रिया को डैश कहते हैं. यानी कि विद्युत के माध्यम से हम एक वस्तु पर दूसरे वस्तु पर जो कोटिंग चढ़ाते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, उसको किस नाम से हम जानते हैं? तो यहाँ पर हमारे समक्ष ऑप्शन है ए इलेक्ट्रिकल प्लेटिंग, बी है इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग, सी है इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपोजिटिंग, या डी नॉन ऑफ द अबव. क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिपोजिटिंग अ लेयर ऑफ एनी डिजायर मेटल ऑन अनदर मटेरियल्स बाय मीन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कॉल्ड. द आंसर इज हियर बी electroplating. The B electroplating is the correct answer. Not electric plating. Is B is correct. Electroplating. Electroplating is a good answer for this question here. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen. Question here. some liquid are good conductor of electricity and some are poor conductor. Which one is a poor conductor here? You know that question is very interesting. Question is clear here कि कुछ तरल पदार्थ विद्युत के कुलचालक होते हैं और कुछ कुलचालक होते हैं। देखिए, कुछ सुलचालक होते हैं तो कुछ कुलचालक होते हैं, तो ये बात सच्चाई है। लेकिन इनमें से खराब कंडक्टर कौन है? जो आपके ऑप्शन दिए हैं उनमें से आपसे पूछ लिया है कि कौन जो है खराब कंडक्टर है विद्युत का। तो क्या ऑप्शन ए एसिडिक सोल्यूशन, बी अल्कलाइन सोल्यूशन, सी कॉमन सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन, डी डिजिटल वाटर। You know that is a question is very interesting. Question here, some liquid are good conductor of electricity and some are a poor conductor. Which one is a poor conductor here? You know that acidic solution, alkaline solution and common salt solution is a generally is good conductor of electricity. But digital water is not a conductor of electricity. It is a poor conductor. Why the poor conductor? Because digital water there is not a present of salt. Digital water not a present of salt. Digital water maximum use here battery, and there are many types of experiment. There is a digital water is not a present of salt. D option is correct here. The D is a digital water is a poor conductor here. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, question here. When the electrolytes are immersed in a water, when electrolytes are immersed in a water and electricity pass, the bubble gas formed on the positive terminal actually dash gas. You know that is a question is very interesting. Question here कि जब इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स को पानी में डुबाया जाता है, जब हम इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स को पानी में डुबाते हैं और बिजली उसमें हम प्रभावित करते हैं, बिजली हम देते हैं उसमें, तो देखा जाए जो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल होता है यानी सकारात्मक टर्मिनल होता है उस पर से जो बुलबुले निकलने लग जाते हैं। तो जो बुलबुले निकलते हैं वो आखिर में कौन से गैस होते हैं? जो बुलबुले निकलते हैं तो कौन से गैस होते हैं? ऑप्शन है हाइड्रोजन, बी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सी ऑक्सीजन या डी नाइट्रोजन। यू नो दैट when the electrolytes are immersed in a water and electricity pass, the bubble formed on the positive terminal is actually there is the oxygen gas. C option is correct. There is a bubble is actually the present of oxygen. It means to the C option is correct for this question. That's important here. This topic was till this. We will be do there are next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.